Hello, welcome to Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions Coimbatore. So this is the kit of new kit of 48 bar 60 volt 1000 watts BLDC motor kit from coming with the KHETAAN brand. So this is the completely the mid-drive kind of motor model. Previously we have this video, but right now we have changed the controller and every specifications. So that is why this newly market launch kit is meant for the demo. So if you want to order this kit, kindly visit our online website www.seesonlinestore.com. In our kit, in our website we have 24/7. Our website will be live. If you want, you can book the kit from our online website. So within 4 to 5 working days, we will provide you the delivery all over India. Free shipping will be available. So in this video, you can don't skip this video, you can watch this video fully. So then only you can easily understand what are all the connections. What are all the first segment will be the full kit details. So in that full kit details, we are explaining each and every what are all the accessories that is coming along with this kit. So second thing will be the full connection, that is connection details. So in the connection details, we are explaining each and every connections, how the controller and motor will be connected and how the throttle is getting connected. Everything will be explained in that connection segment. So next section will be the final segment, that is testing and demo. In the testing and demo, we are showing each and every acceleration. We are showing the test report. So from this video, we are getting surprised with some kind of activities in the last testing and demo. That time we will show you. So don't skip the video. So you can fully watch. Then only we can easily understand what we are trying to say. So this video can be helpful for many peoples. If those who are buying the kit from us or outside market. So this completely the connection details is made from us. So for the demo sake that we are going to launch each and every kit, we are explaining you each and every models. So believe us and you can provide me the orders. So we can ready to dispatch. These complete kits are limited stock available. We providing you the maximum discount sale. It is available in our online store, or otherwise in that top of the screen we have our WhatsApp number will be given. So you can directly inquire us. We can provide you the full details and the quotation on your WhatsApp number. So now let's move on to the video of full connection details. So that is the full kit details. Now let's move on to the video of full kit details of first starting from the motor. So this is the branded new KHETAAN brand. So coming with 48 bar 60 volt 1000 watts hub motor. In the nameplate details you can easily understood. Here it is mentioned 48 volt, but you can give 60 volt also. But 48 volt is the running condition that is going to we can give in the safer side. So this is the center shafted BLDC motor. It's having pure copper winding hub motor coming with a warranty. So and second thing will be the this sky blue color, this controller is coming with the same KHETAAN brand. This is the intelligent controller. So the rated power will be around 1000 watts. We can use 48 bar 60 volt 1000 watts 50 ampere BLDC motor controller. So this having the additional features, having in the side we have full connection details and everything will be explained here. So don't confuse for the connection kind of activities. So here the nameplate details itself, it can easily return each and every connection details. Second thing will be here this having the new facility, that is having this controller don't have the 5-pin connector for connecting the motor and the controller. Here you can easily directly mount this connector. Okay, in the bottom you having the connection nameplate. You can directly connect accordingly and you can give the power connection. From this IPPG gland you can take the remaining wire connection output. and this 4 LED, you can easily identify the fault that will be happen in your vehicle. This red color indicates the throttle fault, and yellow color indicates controller fault, green color indicates motor fault, and blue color indicates overload fault. Okay, you can easily understood with the single connection. You don't need to go with any mechanic to test whether this controller or motor is working or not. You can easily identify with this intelligent controller. Okay, now let's move on to second, that is third thing will be the throttle. Forward reverse throttle is coming along with this, because this BLDC mostly don't have 3-speed. This throttle is normally having the forward reverse only. The 3-speed option is not available in this particular BLDC. You hope you understood. Next thing will be the digital speedometer coming with CVZ brand. So this is the fully digital speedometer. You can easily find the voltage level, battery level, and everything will be in one digital speedometer. You can get here the voltage will be displayed, and the battery level, and the kilometer, and left and right indication, headlight, parking, everything will be in one CVZ meter. And next thing will be the charging socket, heavy charging socket. So you can connect the lithium batteries. You can use this battery connector. So next thing will be the DC to DC converter. So this is normally CY brand. It's having the 10 amps current rating. This can be used to convert 48 to 12 volt conversion. This will be used for to convert your headlight and horn systems. Okay, and the next thing will be the power key switch. That is power key switch that is going to give to turn on the power switch with keys. 2 keys will be provided as usual. Okay, in our all kits this power key will be common. Okay, next thing will be the center locking with 2 remote system. So this will be auto thefting system. You can get the remote locking system with 2 power keys. And the final thing will be the sprocket. 52 teeth sprocket will be given along with this BLDC motor kit to convert to connect the chain. You can use this for the chain connecting. You can having this sprocket assembly. So that's all about the overall full kit details. So I am explaining once again what all the kit accessories is coming. First thing will be the 48 volt 1000 watts BLDC motor kit. Second thing will be the 48 bar 60 volt 1000 watts 50 ampere controller. Third thing will be the 3 forward reverse throttle. Fourth thing will be the center locking remote keys. Fifth thing will be the sprocket, 52 teeth sprocket. Sixth thing will be the this is power key switch with 2 keys. Seventh thing will be the DC to DC converter with 10 amps current rating. And the 8th thing will be the charging socket. And 9th thing will be the digital speedometer coming with series and that. So totally 9 accessories that we are giving along with this kit. So now let's move on to the second section, that is connection segment. So coming to the connection segment, starting from motor, the huge wire is coming. So that is meant for the 3-phase wiring. So here yellow, blue and green. In the controller bottom you can having the nameplate yellow, blue, green, and the top also you having yellow, blue, green. Okay, you can connect accordingly. Yellow to yellow, blue to blue, and green to green. Okay, yellow to yellow and blue to blue and green to green you can connect. Okay, and in the side, right side, having plus and minus will be indicated, plus and minus here. Okay, you can have the bottom, you can have plus and minus. Okay, so these are all the first power and the 3 motor wiring connection and the power connection. And the next thing, there will be on small wire along with this thing. So this is the hall sensor connection. So this is meant for you need to control this motor. So for this circuitry will be useful. So the 5-pin connector can directly connect with this PG gland is coming. So here red to red, black to black, and in the bottom blue to blue, green to green and yellow to yellow. This 5-pin connector you can directly connect to the colors. Okay, and the next set will be the throttle connection. Here the throttles are meant for 2 set of connectors. So first thing will be this red, black and green. So this is for acceleration, and this 2 yellow wires is for forward reverse connection. Okay, this red to red, black to black and green to green you need to connect. So here you need to connect vice versa, this yellow to black, and here this connector will be black and brown will be used for forward reverse connection. If you having any doubts, you can see the side of the controller, you can have the full connection details. Okay, this yellow to black and yellow to brown you need to connect. Okay, and the next set will be the power key switch. Power key switch usually consists of 2 wires that you can know. So first wire is directly coming from the supply, that is plus 48 volt. You need to give it to the controller, that is power key switch, and second wire is going to, in the controller there will be red wire is coming. So in that red wire you need to connect, and next connection you need to take the 2 connections. So this red wire is directly going to the speedometer positive. Okay, that is going to yellow color of the speedometer. Okay, this is the 2 connections of this power key switch. And coming to the speedometer, so this is the CVZ speedometer that we are usually mostly we are giving all our kits. So here I am explaining you each and every wire. You can kindly note it down once again. Yellow color wire, this yellow color wire will be the positive of the supply, and this green color wire, will be the negative of this speedometer, and this black color wire, is the speed sensor wire. It's directly going to the violet color wire of the controller. Okay, this is the speed sensor connection. And the next thing will be the orange color wire. This orange color wire will be used for right indicator. Okay, right side indication. And sky blue color, here sky blue color will be there, that is used for left side of the indicator. Okay, and the final thing will be the dark blue color, that is going to headlight connection. Okay, you can each and every connections you can kindly note it down, and you can do the connections accordingly. That's all about the full connection. Remaining set of wire you can keep it as free. If you are connecting 60 volt, this black color you need to directly connect it, this single color wire, black to black. And remaining center lock connections you are not connected. If you are interested, you can directly connect and you can see. So these are all the basic connections. From this connection itself you can run this motor and you can see the maximum performance level. Now let's move on to the final section, that is connection, that is testing and demo. From this testing and demo I am showing the final thing, that is we have newly introduced to check. So this is the meter, this is the contactless this is RPM tachometer, digital tachometer. For this we need to test, and also you can see the final output, how the maximum RPM. So this you can't verify at all, because this kind of branded BLDC motor, this having the rated RPM will be exactly as per the manufacturer specification. Now we are going to each and every kit as per the some customers are asking. So we need to test with the help of digital tachometer, and we can showing the maximum RPM level. So don't skip the video, you can watch fully, then only you can get the maximum RPM at the time of rising the acceleration. Okay, so our person is going to test this, and I am right now going to accelerate, and we can see the step by step acceleration, and you can corresponding reading will be displayed in the both the speedometer and as well as the digital tachometer. Okay, now let's move on to the video of full kit full connection testing and demo. Okay, now I am turning on the power key switch. This I am already explained that this will be the rated voltage, 50.4 volt is coming. Here the battery voltage level will be high, here it shows the battery level will be low. Here this indication will be quite drop by drop, it can reduce. Okay, and also this total kilometer driven, left and right, headlight and parking will be easily identified. This is the entire digital speedometer having the full optional level. Okay, so now we are going to test this digital speedometer, that is the throttle. We can accelerate the throttle and we can see the how the RPM can be increased. So you need to step by step you can accelerate. Now it is in the forward mode. You can step by step you can accelerate. Okay, so you can see there will be on red light is coming. This is the non-contact type. So digital tachometer, you can easily at the point of movement you can see the RPM. Okay, now I am accelerating step by step. You can see, so you can see the screen of the digital tachometer and the digital speedometer. Okay, so I am just accelerating from 14 km per hour. Here in the RPM meter it can shows around 1046 RPM, 42-46. Now I am increasing the acceleration. You can easily identify 1380 RPM is coming. Okay, 1355, 1360. So this is a non-contact type RPM. You can, for the testing record, we are again accelerating in the digital speedometer, and the reading will be 23 km per hour. Here in digital RPM meter 1702 RPM is coming. Now I am accelerating once again to the maximum level. So it will go to 2110. Okay, 2110 for 29 km per hour. Now I am again accelerating to some more speed levels. So that is 35 km per hour. So here the maximum RPM will be 2581. Once again I am accelerating to another speed. So that is 2940, 2853. Okay, so maximum of 40 km we are getting 2857. So the maximum RPM reach up to the manufacturing specification. So that is 3000 RPM will be the rated motor specification. So it will go nearly up to 2852. Okay, if increasing the voltages, this RPM will again increasing. Okay, so for the 40 km you can get the maximum of 3000 RPM will be achieved. Okay, so this is what the live demo that we are first time we are showing. No company is showing this all over India. So we are first time we are showing the complete demo. So trust us and you can place an order in our online store www.sesonlinestore.com. So now we are putting in the reverse mode and you can see the RPM is rotating in the reverse mode also. Okay, so step by step we can accelerate in the reverse condition. So you can get maximum of 18 km, 22 km will be achieved maximum. So here the RPM will be 1616. So maximum 1616 RPM will be achieved in the reverse mode also. Okay, so this is what the live demo. That is why we are showing the full complete demonstration of this motor testing with the motor and the controller. So believe us and you can place an order in our online store. So kindly subscribe and you can watch our video fully. So then only the newly market launch kit will be, we can show it to you in our YouTube channel. So kindly subscribe and share to your friend circle. You can easily convert your old petrol vehicle to electrical vehicle. Within this kit you can convert the fully electrical conversion, you can made accordingly. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching, see you in the next video.